When you prepare your 2-week ready supplies, make sure you have a gallon of water per day for every member of your ohana, along with 14 days of food and medicine to meet their particular needs.
But some items should be in every 2 weeks ready kit. Let's look at some. Almost any kind of disaster could bring a power failure. You want a good flashlight and extra batteries. Candles aren't a great idea because of the risk of fire. It's also important to receive the latest emergency information. A battery or crank-powered radio will keep you informed for your safety. You may also want to consider an auxiliary battery for your mobile phone. If you've got canned goods, you need a manual can opener. You should have a first aid kit too. A whistle or other loud noisemakers will help you signal for help if you need it. If your emergency water supply is small, you may want to consider water purification tablets or a good camper's water filtration system. One item many people forget is their important documents. Keep originals or copies in a sealed plastic bag. You can take pictures of them on a smartphone as a backup. Among the documents to include your driver's license of ID card, medical insurance card, bank and insurance information, credit card numbers, copies of prescriptions, copies of deeds or titles to property, and advanced healthcare directives.
Getting 2 weeks ready assumes you'll be sheltering in one location. But what if you have to leave for safety? Next episode, we'll talk about the go bag.